lock pickers. Package time. Now I believe this is from Southampton Lock Picking Club. Absolutely awesome bunch of guys. So without further ado, let's dive in here. If you haven't checked out the channel, she'll put the link in the description below. Definitely head over there, check them out. Real great bunch of guys. And yeah, he said they're going to send me a little something out. As you can hear, I'm absolutely full of cold again, which is always nice. It's got a little note. Let's have a quick read. Oh, cool. It says, dear Gav, please find enclosed some stock locks for you to enjoy as we promised, my friend. We have included these locks with keys and hope they find you safe and well, buddy. Really appreciate your fantastic videos and contributions to the Locksport community, and keep up the great work, mate. From Barry and all at Southampton Lock Picking Club. It'd be right if my nose would let me breathe. And anyway, thanks for that. Let's have a little look. Trying to work my way around the camera. Absolutely peeing it down here today. I imagine probably most of the UK is like it. That was cool. I got to shut the kitchen down half an hour early today so I can come and have an earlier lunch. Right, we got loads of goodies. Let me get these out. Crikey, this just keeps going and going and going. Oh, some weight to this one. A couple more in there. And absolutely awesome. Southampton. Right, I'll just let you read it. I can't even speak properly today, but I should get that up on the board. Absolutely awesome. Right, what goodies have we got? Very well wrapped. Might pay for me to unwrap off to the side so I don't make too much noise with the rustling. So the first one is a TL, and it's got some wicked bitting on that. Absolutely awesome. Brilliant. Even the cat's excited that. And that's going on my keys. Thank you so much. There you go. Play with some tissue. No? Okay. This is definitely like Christmas. Apart from I don't think I'm going to be finding socks inside these. Right, nice little no name. Whoa, look at that. That is some crazy bitting. That, I would imagine, it's going to make a brilliant challenge lock. That's just mental. Right. I'll sure reuse this packing material. That'll come in handy. Another little no-namer. There's some crazy keys. Fantastic. What we got? Oh, the GG, or the geeky, as I believe it's supposedly pronounced. These are an absolute pig to pick sometimes. Nice, very nice. Got a Yale key. I'm trying to work out if it's got Yale written on. Yes, it has got Yale written on there. Very, very faint. Nice key weight. Pretty good bit in it. Key tag. A couple of keys there. So another no-namer. Again, look at those keys, they're just crazy. I've been trying to pick this high one at the back there without disturbing these others. A few more little ones. An ERA. Nice key. Super smooth. We're nearly there. An ICO. And that's quite a cool key. I'm sure we can have some fun with that. Some nice spools in them. And what we got here? This thing's massive. This is so cool. Decton. Some serious highs there. That's nearly practically flat. I should imagine that wouldn't take too much. To rake. That's not going to do it again, is it? That might be white. Should have stuck with the first apron. That tension wrench is a pig. There we go. That's cool. I will have a crack at single pin picking that. That is absolutely awesome. Thank you, Barry, and thank you guys from again, Southampton Lock Picking Club. Yeah, absolutely awesome. Your content on your videos is brilliant, and I can't wait to start picking some of these, get some videos up for everyone to have a look at. So yeah, head over there now, go and check them all out, and yeah, many thanks for sending me this absolutely awesome package. So massive thumbs up, head over there now, go and like, subscribe, and enjoy their content. Cheers everyone, thanks Barry, bye.